Are you looking for your own piece of hill country paradise? This is 1385 Beauchamp Road. Let's come check it out. The home is located west of Dripping Springs in Henley, Texas. It's situated on over 1.7 acres and has a lot of amazing features, but the best one of all is it has two distinct single-family homes. Before we check out these two homes, let's check out the glue that holds this property together, the amazing backyard oasis. The serenity of the backyard oasis connects both homes, and with a pool, hill country views, and patios, it feels like your own personal resort. The main home is a single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with over 2,000 square feet of living space. It has stained concrete floors, granite countertops, and is connected to the back patio for some rest and relaxation after a hard day's work. The second home is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath that's 2 stories. This property has numerous possibilities. With the 2 separate homes, you could easily live in one and rent the other out. You could have it as a multifamily compound, or you can use it as separate workspace for those who like to work from home. And even though you're in the hill country, there's amazing Wi-Fi that can handle all of today's work from home needs.